Alright guys, back out at the park yet again. Had a first solid high tone. It's reading pretty deep, so we'll see if we can. There we go. Let's see what it is. Most of the solid high tones have been coins, so we shall see. I have my doubts on this one. Yeah, that's not a coin. That is. I don't know what it is. It's a piece of Canslaw. Well, that's exciting. Moving on. Alright, wasn't going to film this one because I figured it was just my 100,000th pull tab. Reading like a nickel. I got some kind of little button. Not super old, but it's also not a pull tab. So I'll take it. Alright, got another nice solid high tone. Going 6 inches down. I reckon we should see what it is. Hopefully. No, another can. Truth be told, I'm getting kind of tired of those. Oh. How about that? It is the top to a bottle. Well, that's just fantastic. Moving on. Alright, half an hour later, we finally got our first coin of the evening. Pretty sure it's a penny. Let's see if it's a Wheatie. Is it Lincoln? Nope. Just a memorial. Oh well. Alright, second coin. It's like a crap zinc penny. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. The daylight's fading fast on me, but here we got a nickel down there in the hole. Is it a Jefferson? It is. Can't quite see the year. I don't know. I don't think it's too old though. Alright. Alright, I had a deep high tone locked right on quarter. And I'm not sure, but I think I have another buckle. If it is, it sure is. It's buckle number 3 to come out of this field now. This is in the middle part with the iron, but hell, that's alright. That's a good find. Let's find some more stuff like this. Alright, got one more penny here. Just a crappy old zinc one, but it's penny. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you the wrap up for tonight because it's getting pretty dark out here. Got one little button. It's got some writing on it. I can't read it yet. Got a 2000 Jefferson nickel, 3 pennies. And my favorite thing is that little brass buckle there. Hopefully next time come out, get some silver again. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.